Hey everybody, back with another quick video. I'm legitimately about to show you how to get over 83 leads in less than an hour. And the reason I made this video, this is motivated from me seeing some ads on Facebook, and some stuff was buzzing about how this guy was bragging about how he was getting all of these leads and I knew exactly what he was doing. And hats off to the person, because you can spend a lot of time trying to figure something out. Once you figure it out, you're like, man, I need to charge for this stuff. So I'm trying to save you guys some money. I don't want you guys to spend $9.97 or $3,000 just for this information. Although there's nothing wrong with courses, there's nothing wrong with selling information that you've worked hard to obtain. It just kind of bothered me. So I'm not going to market this video like he's marketing his services, so it's going to reach way less people, so not going to be able to save a bunch of people a bunch of money. But if I can save you some money, this will be really, really good for the both of us, because you'll feel better with money in your pocket, and I'll feel better that I've saved you some money. So let's get right into it. I remember when I was looking to quit my job. I was making pretty good money selling heating and air and solar for another company, but it was just never enough. It was just like, oh, what are you going to do for me today? And they didn't care what you did yesterday. You could do 16 sales yesterday. You come into work the next day, they're just like, so what? And so I got tired of all that noise, and I started spending money on these courses that are supposed to teach me how to make this money, generate leads and this agency stuff. And I was really intrigued, but I spent this money and they would never give me the information, right? Like, they'd be like, okay, well, this is what you do. And it's like, I could have got on YouTube for that crap, and I was so frustrated. So what happened is I ended up spending all this money, my own money, and time and resources, really, really trying to figure this thing out. And so on my way to figuring it out, and after I started generating leads for a bunch of different people in a bunch of different niches, then I started to move on to marketing my services. So that's the thing. If you don't know what you're doing, don't market yet. Find some people who you can do some test trials on. I guess maybe that's not the right way to say it. Market yourself and let them know that you're just starting and you're doing some test trials. But don't be out here taking a bunch of people's money saying that you can do stuff that you can't. So either way, this works for everybody. This is whether you are a plumber, or you're an electrician, if you fix guitars, if you do massages, if you mow lawns, if you sell solar, fix roofs, if you're an electrician, whatever you do, if you're a carpet cleaner, if you have an auto detailing company, whatever it is that you do, I promise you that if you do this, you will get leads, it will work, you will have clients, okay? I've done this when I needed to have clients like right now, and I need some money right now. This was a great way to do it. So let's get into it. I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with the List Shack, okay, or any kind of shack for that matter. But these people I use because they're cheap and they scrub their numbers against the do not call list, and they're able to get targeted leads. So are you looking for only homeowners? Are you looking for only business owners? This website will give you the phone numbers to those people scrubbed against the do not call list. Step number 2, you do ringless messages. Now, this used to be Sales Dialers, and I guess now it's Prospect Boss. I am not affiliated with these people either, but you can get 16,000 ringless voice messages for only $400. Now, I see that it says $400 a month, but it's a month-to-month contract, and you can do it for 1 month, use your 16,000 deliveries, and then just go from there. And the cool thing is they don't charge you for the voicemails that don't go through. You're only charged for the voicemails that do go through, so I think that's pretty cool. So step number 3, come up with a voicemail that's going to be casual, but also with a call to action. So for instance, if you're an electrician, you can say something like, hey, we were just in your neighborhood the other day and we noticed that a lot of the electrical panels over in your area have some safety concerns. So to get back to the community, we're actually going to be doing some safety checks here coming up this week and the middle part of next week. If you're interested in that and seeing how you can seeing if your electrical panel is safe for you and your family, then feel free to give me a call back. This is Darryl with D&D Electric. I'll talk to you soon. Just so you know, I am going to lunch, so I wanted to send you this message before I went into lunch because I knew I wasn't going to remember to call you afterwards. So if you call back and it goes to voicemail, that's why. I'll talk to you later. and the reason why you say you're going to lunch is because when these people call, they're going to be calling by the dozens. Okay, so if you are not serious about answering phone calls and setting appointments, don't even try, because this is you're going to waste your money, your time, and theirs. If you're selling some sort of if you're selling solar, you can say something like, hey, I was in your neighborhood yesterday and we really think that your roof is perfect for this solar program that we're enrolling people into. So if you're interested in saving up to 70% on your electrical bills and seeing if we can help you with that, we would love to help you because, quite frankly, your roof is faced in the perfect position. So I'm actually going to lunch right now. So if you call me back, it might go to voicemail, but I promise if you leave a message, I'll get right back to you. That's it. So come up and be creative. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're doing back massages or something, if you're a masseuse and you just leave a message. Hello, we're just dropping you a message because we're having 50% off of our massages, back massages, and we just want to let you know that your coupon code would be 560J29. Okay? And if you're interested, that coupon code does expire within the next 3 days. So if you're interested, we would love to have you come down and take advantage of 50% off of a back massage. That's it. So whatever it is that you're selling, come up with a message, drop the message, and you're going to have some tough skin because some people are it's a numbers game, right? It's a numbers game. So you want to make sure that you tell yourself, some people are going to be like, oh, don't call, I don't want any stupid massage, or if you're doing an electrical thing, I don't want no stupid safety check, hope my whole family burns down, in flames, and you're like, wow, these people are crazy, and that's just what it is. You're dealing with people, you're going to deal with some crazy people, but if you sift through the crazy people and people that say they're not interested, you're going to get people that are, and that is the beautiful part about this. You don't have to sit in your office and make 16 million phone calls to 16 million business owners, or in this case, 16,000 business owners or 16,000 homeowners. Forget all that. All you have to do, and honestly, you may like this even way more than Facebook lead generation, to tell you the truth. And I know I put myself at risk by giving you this information because you may not want to try Facebook ads, but if you do, my shameless plug is that you can either text message me at 916-252-9880, or if you're watching this video on YouTube and not on my personal page, my information is in the description box down below. So I really know that this is going to help, and I hope that you do it and try it out. And after you do, let me know how it goes. But best of luck to you. You don't have to pay $9.97 or $19.97 for this information. I am giving it to you for free. So this is a secret on how a lot of people generate leads in less than an hour, over 83 leads in less than an hour, and spend less than $500 doing it. Hope you guys have a good day.